looking at you, and you're looking at me. I can feel something, what can it be?
You know, Sureshri, when you smile, your face lights up completely and you have a beautiful smile. I think it resembles that of Rani Mukherjee's. Has anybody told you that before?
No.
Really?
Yes.
Have you noticed that?
No.
How many times a day do you look at yourself in the mirror?
A lot of times.
So you consider yourself very vain?
Yes.
So when you look at yourself in the mirror, what do you say to yourself?
I see you looking beautiful, you're a confident person, go out and get the world.
Go out and get the world? Okay, so your mirror is your best friend.
Yes.
So tell me about Nasik, I've never been there. What is it like?
Nasik is a very beautiful place, with very beautiful climate, with very friendly people. Hi, I'm Sureshri Rahane. I am born and brought up in a small village named Bhagur in Nasik district. In my family, I have my parents and my brother living together. My father owns a jewellery shop, a gold and silver jewellery shop, and he is also a licensed money lender. My mother, on the other hand, is a very creative person. She is a classical Sangeet Visharad. She was always interested in clothes, so she started a wholesale and retail boutique in Nasik, Sureshri Cotton. And partly after my graduation, I have joined the business to take it to new levels.
Your parents actually pushed you a lot into sports, right? You said that they were very keen that you do a lot of sports.
Yes.
You swim, don't you?
Yes.
You used to swim state level.
Yes. Apart from sports, my other hobbies include debating, elocution, for which also I have won many awards, and I love dancing a lot. First day of my college was when we met and interacted with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Sureshri, you said that you debate and you win medals. You swim and you win medals. You do elocution and you win medals. What do you not win medals for?
Solo singing.
Solo singing, okay. And your name is Sureshri.
Yes.
Your fiancé was in a relationship with another girl before he started liking you.
He liked her. They
They were not in a relationship. Sorry, he liked her.
Yes.
And you were trying to patch both of them together, right?
Yes.
Then how did Cupid strike you?
मैंने सुरक्षित से कहा कि मेरी और उसकी फ्रेंड की एक डेट सेटअप कर दो क्योंकि हम तीनों एक ही कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे.
And that was a bit weird for me. So I was trying to set both of them up.
But we became really good friends while practicing for modern Ramayan play for freshers party.
In which I was playing Sita and he was playing Ravan. And in that play, at the end, Sita goes away with Ravan. So basically from that day onwards, we really became good friends.
वो तो जैसे भूल ही गया था कि मैं सूरज के फ्रेंड के साथ डेट करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि सूरज के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना उसके साथ मेरे सीक्रेट शेयर करना एक मेरी हैबिट बन गई थी.
So it didn't turn out well for them, but luckily it turned out well for me. And we got committed in the third year of our college.
और मुझे लगा कि उसकी फ्रेंड के साथ जो भी हुआ था वो जस्ट एक अट्रैक्शन हुआ था पर मेरा ट्रू लव तो सूरज ही है.
That's when you fell in love. I think you make people happy. When you get into a room, you just light it up. And that's a very rare quality that very, very few people have. You know, when I met you for the first time, I don't know, I couldn't just stop smiling. You know, Sureshri, You have all the infrastructure to look like a beautiful bride. I mean, your mother makes sarees, your father does jewelry. Why bad by the bride? It can't just be about wanting to be on television.
No, it's not at all about that.
Right.
Once I met Amol, once I actually saw Band Baja Bride in the third season, I started watching it. I started reliving my dream again.
Okay.
And then I again wanted to be the most beautiful bride, and I wanted to have the most beautiful wedding ceremony.
Okay.
And I wanted the most beautiful outfit.
You wanted the most beautiful outfit, then you can go anywhere for that.
And no, I have tried that, okay. And seriously, people, they just can't make it right for me. They can't.
You know, you're in the Sabyasachi store and there are such beautiful lehengas all around. I would just like you to just get up and take your pick, but tell me, what kind of a lehenga would you really like in terms of workmanship?
I would like a really heavy lehenga.
You would like a really heavy lehenga?
Yes.
You think you can manage one?
I think I could try. I can actually put all my energy in managing one, but I'd love to manage one.
No, I think, you know, it's nice to have a heavy lehenga, but maybe not for you. I think it's very important to be comfortable. You know, when you're getting married, it's very important to realize that if you have some limitations, if you have some issues, address them, because don't run away from yourself. You know, fantasy should not be alienating you from reality, and I think it's nice to do a lehenga which is beautiful, but which also lets you be. So why don't we just come and choose a lehenga?
Sure, let's go. Hereditary problem which was there in my family from a lot of years before my grandparents. That physical problem included I had extra fingers on my hands as well as on my legs. Also there was a problem with my tibia and fibula. These are the two bones which follow our knees down. The problem was that the bones were not straight. Also the second problem was that the bones were not growing with the common rate for which it goes for normal humans. Because of that, my height below the knees was not increasing, and also my legs were a bit crippled. So I had my first operation when I was 15 days old. From that, I had around 8 to 10 operations till the time I was in my 8th standard, so till the time I was 13 years old. And because of that, whatever condition I am in right now, my legs are not crippled anymore. सुरश्री का जन्म हुआ तब ये जो प्रॉब्लम है वो हेरिडिटरी प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन मैं खुश थी क्योंकि मुझे बेटी हो गई, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा खुश थी। और मैंने वही तय किया था कि इसको मैं अच्छी तरह से जो जो चाहिए चीज़ इसको ये करूँ, और ये हमारे पूरे फैमिली का टीम वर्क था। इसी बारे में मैं ज़्यादा पावरफुल थी क्योंकि मुझे मेरी बेटी के और कोई हाथ उंगली उठाकर बात ना कर सके।
सुरश्री के बारे में जो अट्रैक्टिव चीज मुझे लगती है वो है उसका स्माइलिंग फेस, और इसकी वजह से मैं कभी उसके स्माइल के नीचे गया ही नहीं और मैंने कभी उसके लेग्स देखे ही नहीं। जब मैंने मेरे मम्मी डैडी को बताया कि मैं सुरश्री से शादी करना चाहता हूँ, तब उनका रिएक्शन एक निगेटिव तरह का रहा, क्योंकि उनका यही मानना था कि वो एक फिजिकली हैंडीकैप लड़की है। बट स्टिल मैं अभी भी उनको कन्विंस नहीं कर पाया हूँ, पर मैं सुरश्री से इतना प्यार करता हूँ कि मैं उससे शादी करने जा रहा हूँ, और ये एक दिन जरूर आएगा कि मेरे मम्मी डैडी भी हमें एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे।
I do admit that Surashri has a difficult body type to address, but you know, when you put your mind to it, anybody can look beautiful. And for me, that was the biggest challenge, because I wanted her to look a little more slimmer and taller, so we decided to give her smaller design, intricate design, one color head to toe, and she wanted to look like a Sabyasachi bride. How can a Sabyasachi bride be a Sabyasachi bride without her traditional borders? But we decided to tone it down, make it smaller, and the girl chose pink. Well, that's predictable, but you know, she is someone who is actually very feminine and romantic, and with a lot of Zardozi that she likes, some good jewelry, some great hair and makeup, and let me tell you something, that girl is going to look like a smasher. Is there anything else that you want me to help you with?
Yes.
What?
This long request actually. I have been wearing the shoes from like forever, and I would like to have a new pair of shoes.
That's very easy. You know, we have great shoe manufacturers, and I can put you onto them, and they will be happy to help. Let's just put on a dupatta. Let's put you on bridal mode. Have you ever met people in your life who make you do a double take about yourself, that make you think that you need to do more with your life and you're not doing enough? Well, a lot of people think that I've had a great life, a lot of achievement. When I look at Surashri, I start thinking about what I really have done with my life, because look at her. She's so energetic, she's so buoyant, she's so aggressive, yet at the same time she's soft like a feather, she's romantic. I've never really seen someone like her. She amazes me. And I like the fact that in spite of adversity, in spite of families not agreeing, Amol stood by her and has decided to marry Surashri. And further, Dam Raja Brides wants to salute him. He's a wonderful guy, and I will make sure that I make him a fantastic Sherwani to match Surashri's dream wedding.
I am surrounded by beautiful jewelry at TVZ, which I can't wait to try on Surashri. Sabya even has a Bollywood look in mind for her. Which one? Let's wait and watch.
Surashri is such a girl. She loves good clothes, she likes bright colors, she loves jewelry, and with that stunning Indian face and a $1 million smile, I know the jewelry would look stunning on her. Well, I can see that somebody's hard at work.
Hello, Sabya. How are you?
I'm very well. Very good to see you.
Surashri, such a pleasure to meet you. I've heard so much about you from my whole team. So, what have you guys been up to?
Well, I've been designing a lehenga for her, and like all beautiful ladies, she wants pink. So we've decided that we're going to give her something which is very pale and shimmery.
Right.
Not a very deep pink, but a pale pink, because that's quite the color of the season.
Oh, she'll look lovely in that.
I called up TVZ and I told them that show me a Jadao selection, but pieces which are light and heavy, because she has a difficult body type and one would not want to overbear her with too much jewelry but keep the balance right. She told me, do you want to go and see some?
Of course, they all look so lovely. Come on, let's go.
I really like the jewelry that you put out for us.
On the counter, I saw a lot of jewelry pieces lying over there. It was gold, polki and Jadao pieces.
So Miss Sunshine, let me just get your hair center parted. professionally. When I first saw Sureshi, I was so excited about her smile because it reminded me of Rani Mukherjee that I kept thinking of Paheli because I loved Rani in that film with all her Indian costumes and I wanted Sureshi to look something like that. So I thought she has to wear traditional Jarao jewelry.
Sabya first placed the borla on my center parted hair. Thereafter it was time to wear the neck piece. First we wore the choker.
The most important pieces had to be beautiful traditional Jarao jhumkas, which I think are wardrobe essentials for any girl. You know what, let's do a high five. I managed my first hearing without a lady slapping me. Wearing a piece on your neck, it's looking a little lonely and forlorn. I think it needs a friend.
You're not going to say no to anything today, are you?
No. Then we wore the long polki necklace. And the final icing on the cake was when Sabya placed the nut on my face.
What about some of these?
Love them.
Love them?
After that came the kangans, which were really very pretty.
You know, Juhi, her smile is so similar to that of Rani's, and I think the similarity lies in the fact that they both have very honest smiles that reach their eyes. And it's very infectious. And you go out like this and you keep smiling, I'm telling you the whole room is going to smile with you. You have that energy about you.
And I think the Rani Mukherjee look was complete then and there.
You know, Jarao and Kundan and Polki earrings are wardrobe essentials of any Indian girl. Just by wearing these beautiful earrings, you know, you can go anywhere and everybody's going to notice them. But, you know, on second thoughts, Juhi, you know, you need to get rid of the sideburns.
Right.
Because it will accentuate the earrings better.
Okay.
It has nothing much to do with you because you're so beautiful. Just maybe some skin polish and everything.
Yeah.
Anyway, you're a makeover queen.
Yes, absolutely. And I have to say that we are really lucky to have you with us, and we feel that you're very special. So this is our honor entirely.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Ram. It is completely my pleasure as well.
But you know what? I think we need to thank you, and I personally need to thank you because we were all very tired, but you brought back so much life into the show. This is the season's ending, and I personally think that people wouldn't have asked for a better bride. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Not at all. 13 lucky brides are not the only ones who get jewelry from TVZ The Original. You can also be one of them by entering the TVZ Dream Deal contest and answering a very simple question. Today's question is, what is the Indian name of uncut diamonds that is usually used in Jarao jewelry? Is it Polki, is it Shisha, or is it Kundan? Mail us your answers at liveyoung@ndtv.com and you can get a gift voucher worth ₹10,000 from TVZ The Original. Julie just looked so fascinating on her and she looked so radiating, regal, charming that I decided to take a picture with her. This is going to be one of my most favorite moments from Band Baja Bride because I actually took back a souvenir after 3 years in the show. Cheers to Band Baja Bride.
A woman of substance and a true heart stealer. That is Sureshi for you. Team BBB promises to make her and Amol's experience extra special. And to begin her makeover journey, coming up is a visit to the Lakme Absolute Salon in Mumbai.
When I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me.